What's going on, my people? So, New York session today was so amazing, and we just caught 460 pips in this single trade right here. And I just want to explain to you guys because someone asked me, "Hey, bro, how did you know if gold will go up, and how did you know?" And I just want to use this opportunity to explain to you guys what I was thinking and why I bought this trade, right? So first of all, let me just show you. This is where I sent this signal. It was in a VIP group, right? Because I have a VIP group where I open for those who want to learn and end, so you can be in this group while you're still learning, right? So as you can see, I actually send this signal. It was a buy, right? And then the market actually went crazy up and it hit our TP with over 460 pips. This was so amazing. So as you can see, the market actually moved very, very quick, and that was so fast, guys. This was one of the fastest trade we took today. Other trades, like in the morning, the one we took in the morning was actually moving up and down, but this one went straight up. And like I said, guys, not all the trades will be moving just like this. Some of them, they're gonna go straight like this and hit TP, and others, they're just gonna be moving sideways till it hits your TP. So all you need is a patience and a trusting what you're doing, and that's exactly what I always tell people. And the reason why I actually buy this trade, it was a very simple. So if you can look at on a daily time frame, right? Because we actually had gold was going up the whole time since last week, but this time around you can see that we had a daily candlestick that was going up, and that's just a pure confirmation there. As a retail traders, we are actually looking for buyers buying. So if I switch on a 1 minute time frame, well, of a 1 hour time frame, you can see that the market was moving high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, 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 low, high, high, right? So when the market is moving like that, and I actually just switched on a 1 minute time frame so that I can actually get the confirmation, the confirmation where to sell, right? Where to buy, and that's exactly what I did. And on a 4 hour time frame, let me show you, because it was here, and then we're gonna play so that we can see the whole thing. Let me just replay. I want to replay this, guys. Start a new one, yeah, because here's where we took this trade. It was here, you know it was here. Okay, let me just do my chart like this. It was here, right? So by the time we bought, and when I switch on a 4 hour 1 minute time frame, I was actually doing analysis, guys. It actually took me maybe 2 hours to actually waiting for this. It just didn't happen like in a few seconds. So I was actually waiting for the market to actually give me another high, 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 low, so that I can actually buy. And as you can show in 1 minute, the market was just high, 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 low, high, 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 low, and I just waited for a new high, low, so that I can actually buy. So by the time the market was going up, I was actually a little bit late to buy it, but again, it's actually worth it to actually open my buy position there. And guess what happened, guys? Let's just see what happened, guys. Let me show you what happened. That was insane, yeah. That was so crazy today. New York session was amazing, and we actually killed it all the sessions, because I do trade a pre-London session, and also I do trade New York session. You understand? So yeah, we killed the pre-London and the New York session again. We killed it, and like I said, this 2026 we are keeping this energy. The whole year is gonna be crazy. And like I said, guys, gold this year is gonna make a lot of people millionaire, and I'm gonna make sure I capitalize with this opportunity as gold is moving insane, guys. So make sure you guys, you are in a VIP group. The link will be down below in the description. So now let's just play it. Look, crazy. That was just one candlestick. Now I'm replaying, right? That's why it's moving too fast. So as you can see, only one candlestick moved 200 pips on gold, guys. That's crazy, right? All right, but we had to be patient. I had to be very patient. I just don't usually close If you've been following me, then you know. Okay, and then the market went up and it hit our take profits with the over how many pips? 480 and 60 pips. With 460 pips, that's what we caught in a VIP group. That's enough. And as you can see, our risk to reward ratio is a 1 to 3 as always, because yeah. So, and that's one thing I love about forex, guys. You can actually plan how much you want to win and how much you are willing to lose. And exactly, that's when, like, when someone lose, people, they tend to lose focus, or to I don't know how to put it, because they don't actually control how much they are losing. So you have ability to control how much you're gonna lose, and how much you're gonna win. Just to set a good risk to reward ratio. That's all, and just use the proper risk management. Even if you lose one trade, you're still gonna. If you lose one trade and you win the second, you're still gonna end the day with the massive profits, because you control how much you lost and how much you win. So yeah, as you can see, we opened only one trade during London's New York session, as that's part of my rules. If I win one trade, and that's enough for the day. And the 460 pips, that's enough for the days, guys. If you wanna catch more than that, then you must be greedy. You must be greedy. Sorry to say that, guys, but you just be grateful, guys. Grateful. Done for the day, and that's it. I don't want to stress myself again, be on the charts all the time, trying to go back and forth, checking what gold is doing again, giving myself a headache. I got what I wanted, and I'm out. Shake and shit. This is the VIP group that I told you guys. If you are not in this VIP group, you are missing out a lot, because you are killing it the back to back, back to back. And as you can see, the gold went up and it hit our take profit. And to join the VIP group, if you want to join, if you really want to join, you will have to join the free Telegram group. The link will be down below in the description. And when you're in a VIP, in a free Telegram group, you're gonna see the link pinned. They pinned the message with the button of join VIP. Just click that button, and then you're gonna show you how to join the process. It's very easy, simple. That's just it, guys. I just wanted to make this quick video to show you what happened today. Today was amazing, and I'm gonna be uploading video every day, showing you guys the process, what's going on. And yeah, and for those who are following the challenge on the Instagram, we already up right now for the challenge. And yeah, and let me know, first of all, for the challenge, how long do you think it's gonna take us? Yeah, because we are in for 30 something days today. So yeah, but we're still pushing, guys. We're still pushing. No doubt, we're getting there. We're getting there. Yep, that's the end of this video, and I will see you again on the next one.